Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So the topic that we will discuss in our today's lesson it is the S block elements in the periodic table. So mainly we have already learned the periodic table has been divided into different blocks, and these blocks started from S, P, D and F. So S, P, D and F, here we will discuss the first block of elements which is known as the S block elements, and here we have the first two groups in which we have group 1A, group 2A and the element helium. These are known as the S block elements. So the reason why they are called as the S block elements because their s orbitals are being filled or their outermost shell is half filled and it is having the orbital which is s orbital and it is the outermost shell. So that's why they are known as s block elements, and to complete their octet or duplet they need one electron. So they are known as the group 1a element which is the alkali metals, and then the group 2 elements they have two electrons in their valence shell, so they are known as group 2a elements and are alkaline earth metals. All these are alkali and alkaline earth metals except hydrogen, because hydrogen it is a non-metal but it is known as the s block elements. All are these alkali metals, but hydrogen is also falling under the s block elements in the periodic table because of their valence or the outermost shell. Then we have the alkali metals. Alkali metals are basically the word or the name just came from alkali, and the word alkali is an Arabic word which simple means the ashes. Basically the word ashes was used by Arabs in term of these metals because they were found in the ashes of the plants, as well as they were composed chiefly of sodium and potassium. So that's why they are known as the alkali metals. On the other hand, the alkali metals include lithium, whose atomic number is 3 and its mass number is 6.94, so we can also write it as 7. Second element of alkali metals from group 1A, sodium, symbol is Na, atomic number is 11 and its mass number is 22.9, so we can also write it as 23. Then we have potassium, its atomic number is 19, symbol is K and its mass number is 39.09, so we can write it as just 39. Then we have rubidium, which is the fourth alkali metals. Its atomic number is 37, symbol is Rb, and mass number we have 85.4. So we can also write it as 85.5 by rounding off. The next element of the alkali metals is cesium. Its symbol is Cs, atomic number is 55, and mass number is 132.9, or we can also write it as 133. Then we have francesium. Its atomic number is 87, symbol is Fr, and its mass number is 223.9. It's mean when we are moving down the group from lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francesium, then their atomic number increases. As their atomic number increases, it's mean their size also increases. So this is the simple about the alkali metals, and they produce strong alkaline solution when they get dissolved in water. They produces strong alkaline solutions. Strong alkaline solutions mean they produce strongly basic solutions when they get dissolved in water. So all the alkali metals are, that's why known as alkali metals in the periodic table. So they mainly include lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. So this was a simple overview about the alkali metals. Let's move to the alkaline earth metals. The alkaline earth metals are basically came from the group 2A elements, and these elements are beryllium, its atomic number is 4, its symbol is Be. Then we have magnesium, its symbol is Mg and atomic number is 12. Then we have calcium, its symbol is Ca and atomic number is 20. We have strontium, symbol is Sr and its atomic number is 38. Then we have barium, its symbol is Ba and atomic number is 56. Then we have radium, symbol is Ra and its atomic number is 88. So all these elements are known as group 2A elements as well as they are alkaline earth metals. So alkaline earth metals include the most reactive electropositive elements. They contain most reactive electropositive elements. So electropositive elements, the elements that can change or that may have the affinity for the protons, like if we have magnesium, it contains two electrons in its valence shell. So by losing two electrons, it changes into the electropositive ion, which is known as the magnesium or Mg positive 2. So alkali and alkaline earth metals are both present in the periodic table of group 1 and group 2, and they all are metals in nature. The metals in nature means they can lose the electrons easily, and then they changes into the positively charged ions. So the question arises, why do they lose their electrons just to gain stability? They loses the electrons from their outermost shell. So this was a simple overview about alkali and alkaline earth metals. I hope you guys understand. And the next topic that we will discuss, it is the electronic configuration of the S block elements. So for that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.